Marky Monday has a great show. Marky Monday, this is my show. It's called Marky Mondays. Marky Monday has a great show. It's Marky Monday, Marky Monday. Welcome to the show. Now here we go. Marky Monday. Marky Monday. Marky Monday. Marky Monday.
Hey, welcome to the program. I'm really happy to have you here. It's going to be a great show. Today, we're talking about cows. Magical cows. Beautiful cows. Cows on the program. Ooh, I love cows. Cows are so awesome. And we're going to find out so much more that we probably didn't know about cows today. Also, make sure you stay all the way to the end of the episode, because at the end of the episode, we're going to have a chance to win a prize. You can win a prize today if you answer today's question correctly. So stay tuned all the way to the end of the show. Okay, now let's start the show. Here we go.
Marky plays drums.
Hey, Giant Banana.
Hey, Marky Monday! Look at all the cows! Here we are in a barn in Stouffville, Ontario, and we have all these cows here. Wow! They're so magnificent! They're almost magical. They're like magical cows.
Yeah, they look like magical cows, but actually they're a special type of cow, Giant Banana.
Yes, they are, Marky Monday. They are a special type of cow. These types of cows give milk. Ooh, so cows that give milk are called dairy cows. These are dairy cows, Marky Monday. Yay, dairy cows!
Donny, Donatello, Cleo, Cleopatra. Donny, Donatello, Cleo, Donny, Cleo, Donatello and Cleopatra. Cats.
Hey, did you see that?
See what? Oh, yeah. Oh, hey, it's a piece of paper. Wow. Oh, I like these. Yeah. Oh, pieces of paper are awesome.
Yeah, you really think so? You really like them?
Yeah, I like pieces of paper.
Yeah, me too. You think I can play with it?
Nah, I think I'm just gonna play with it, thanks. It's time for the beat of the week. Beat of the week, yeah. This week, we're doing magical cows as a little beat. So it's like this. Magical cows. Magical cows. Yeah, magical cows. Do it with Marky. Do it with Marky. Do it with Marky. Magical cows. Magical cows. Magical cows. Yeah. Magical cows. Woo! Magical cows. Woo! Magical cows. Good. And joining us today, as always, with some music and this rhythm, Margarita, Señorita, Bonita, Chiquita, Banana.
Okay, everybody, you must know that Margarita loves cows, especially magical cows, and also dancing to magical cows. Here we go! Magical cows! Magical magical cows! Magical cows! Magical cows! Magical cows!
Marky plays guitar.
Redonkulous, the ridiculous. Redonkulous, the ridiculous. Dinosaur.
Hey, Redonkulous, what do you have for us today?
Well, Marky, today, because it's all about cows, I have a fact about cows.
Ooh, okay, go ahead.
Well, did you know that cows, in fact, have 4 stomachs?
4 stomachs.
That's right, Marky. Cows have 4 stomachs, which helps them digest all their food by going through the 4 different chambers. Cows!
Marky plays piano.
Today's music video comes from Marky Monday's Adventures in Dreamland, where Marky Monday ventures into this place where cows are flying everywhere. The magical cows are flying through the air. Whoa, it's so crazy. And did you know that when milk goes bad, it turns into yogurt, then it turns into cheese? And when cheese goes bad, it turns into eggs. So you better be making an omelet. Those are the lyrics. Enjoy!
When milk goes bad, it turns into yogurt, then it turns into cheese. When cheese goes bad, it turns into eggs, and you best be making an omelet. When milk goes bad, it turns into yogurt, then it turns into cheese. When cheese goes bad, it turns into eggs, and you best be making an omelet. Dairy is magic, magical dairy. Dairy is magic, magical dairy. Dairy is magic, magical dairy. Dairy is magic. Many people think that eggs come from chickens, but that's only partially true. 'Cause at the grocery store the eggs are with the dairy and the cows are laying eggs when they move. Many people think that eggs come from chickens, but that's only partially true. 'Cause at the grocery store the eggs are with the dairy and the cows are laying eggs when they move. Yes, the cows are laying eggs when they move. I said the cows are laying eggs when they move. The cows are all magic, magical cows. The cows are all magic, magical cows. The cows are all magic, magical cows. The cows are all magic, Magical dairy. Dairy is magic. Magical dairy. Dairy is magic. Magical dairy. Dairy is magic.
Well, we're coming to the end of the episode, but not without your chance to win a prize today. Yes, your chance to win a prize. How are we going to win a prize? Well, you have to answer this question. Are you ready? Here's the question. The question is, what kind of cows did we feature at the beginning of the show? What kind of cows did the giant banana talk about at the beginning of the show? Do you remember? If you know the answer, then go down to the description of this video and click on the Marky Monday prize portal. Take you to the Marky Monday prize portal, click there, and that's where you pop in your answer. Put your answer in, type in your name, your email address, and the answer, Marky Monday will send you a Magical Cow collectible card. Woo-hoo-hoo! Yeah, that's right. So make sure you answer today's question and make sure you like this video, share it with your friends, and also thank you so much for watching, and tune in next week for another episode of the Marky Monday Show. Until next time, hasta Luigi!
Hey, thanks for watching. Click the circle to subscribe to the Marky Monday channel. Yes, and click the squares to watch another episode of the Marky Monday Show.
And make sure you tune in next Monday for another great show. Until then,
Hasta Luigi!